Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your slow charging in your Nothing CMF phone, one mobile phone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on apps, click on see all apps, and then you have to click on any of the app and click on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you have to turn off background data of all these apps that you have installed, or whether they are system apps or installed apps. You have to turn off, enable usage of background mobile data in the background. It will stop running in the background. Then you have to press back. You have to simply go to your settings, and here you have to click on battery. Then if you have turn on battery saver, then turn it off, and you can see here it is battery health. Just click on it and you have to enable smart charging mode and enable. You can also just smart charging and charging assistant, you can also enable it. It displays a notification when charging does not reach the fastest speed or a charging limit is set. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.